Hello, boys and girls. Welcome to Math Circle today. Today we are going to start something new in math. So the last 2 weeks we've been learning about squares and triangles. We learned that squares had 4 sides and 4 corners, and triangles have 3 sides and 3 corners. Today we are going to start counting to 3. 1, 2, 3. Good. We are going to get ready to read a story called Max Goes to School, and we are going to be counting some of the objects that Max sees while he is getting ready for school, okay? All right, here we go. Before we get started, we're going to make sure our bodies are ready. So let's sing Eyes Are Watching. Are you ready? Eyes are watching, ears are listening, bodies calm, voices off. This is how we listen, this is how we listen, like a leader, like a leader. Awesome, we are now calm and ready to read Max Goes to School. Here is the screen. We are going to read Max Goes to School today. Max likes to read and write. Ooh, let's see. Let's count. How many books do you see that Max has? Let's count the books. How many books do you see? Oh, good. 1 book. 2 books, good. I see 2 books also, good. 1, 2, good. There are 2 books, good. 1, 2, good. Max has 2 books, 2 books. Let's see. How many lamps does Max have in his room? The lamp is the light. How many lamps does Max have in his room? Let's stamp them. 1, 2, good. 1, 2. Can you show me 2 on your fingers? 1, 2, good. Max has 2. Let's circle them together. 1, 2, good. Max has a group. He has 2 lamps. 1, 2, good. How many teddy bears does Max have? How many teddy bears does he have? 1, good. Max has 1 teddy bear. Can you show me 1 finger on your hand? Good, 1. Max has 1 teddy bear. Good. How many pictures does Max have on his wall? How many pictures does Max have up on his wall? Good. Max has 1 picture. 1. He has 1. Very nice. We are ready to move on with our story. Max likes to read and write. Max goes to school. He meets the teacher. The teacher shows Max his desk. Max sits at his desk. The teacher reads a story. Max listens to the story. The teacher gives him paper, a pencil, and a crayon. Max draws a picture. The teacher takes the children to recess. Max plays on the playground. The teacher takes the children to lunch. Max eats lunch. The teacher says goodbye. Max says goodbye. Max goes home. He dreams of school. Max likes to read and write. E-N. Wow, we got to count a lot of things with Max and see all the things that he did at school. Miss Ray's going to go back to this picture. We're going to count some more objects. We're going to count some more objects. How many apples do you see on this page? How many apples? One apple. Good. We see one apple. Can you show me one with your finger? Good. One. We can show one on our hands by putting up one finger. We can represent one apple by our finger pattern. One. Good. How many grape juice do you see? How many grape juices do you see? Oh, I see Max has a grape juice and his friend has a grape juice. So let's count both of those. Ready? 1, 2. Good. Let's show that on our fingers. 1, 2. There are 2 grape juices on this page. 2. We can show the number 2 on our fingers to represent the whole page, represent the whole group. 1, 2. Good. 1, 2. There are 2 juices. There is 1 apple. Very nice. Very nice job. Very, very good. We are going to go back to Max's bedroom. Wonderful. We're going to go back to his room. We counted some objects today. We are going to count them again together before we go. This week we're going to be focusing on counting to 3. 1, 2, 3. Good. We're going to focus on counting to 3 this week. So before we go today, let's count again. How many books does Max have? Let's look at his books. How many books does he have? 1, 2. He has 2 books. Good. We're going to circle his books. 1, 2. Good. We have 2 books in our group. Can you show me 2 fingers? 1, 2. Good. Good. Let's look at his lamps. Remember, his lamps are his lights. How many lamps does he have? 1, 2. Good. Now we need to circle our group of lamps. 1, 2. Good. He has 2 lamps. Show me 2 on your fingers. 2. Good. How many pencils are in this picture? How many pencils do you see? Max has a pencil and his dog has a pencil. So let's count them together. 1, 2. Good. 2 pencils. 1, 2. Excellent job, boys and girls. Great job counting with Max today as he got ready for school. Show me 1. Match 2. Match 3. Good. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Good. We have 3. 1, 2, 3. We can count to 3 on our hands. 1, 2, 3. Excellent job. We will see you a little bit later. Thank you so much for joining us for this math story and counting today.